I like this little song. And since it's a cloudy day and we had a prediction for a storm, this one just kind of falls in line. Oh, you're standing in the middle of thunder and lightning. I know you feel like you just can't wait, but you're trying. It's hard to keep on keeping on when you're being pushed around. Don't even know which way is up, just keep spinning down and around and down. Every storm runs out of rain, just like every dark night turns into day. Every heartache will fade away, just like every storm runs out of rain. So hold your head up and tell yourself there's something more, and walk out that door. Go find a new rose, don't be afraid of the thorns, 'cause we all have thorns. Just put your feet up to the air, put your face in the wind. When you fall back down, keep on remembering. Set you free. Every storm runs out of rain, just like every star turns into day. Every heartache will fade away, just like every storm runs out of rain. Set you